Today I'm showing you an unboxing video of the Apple Pencil Pro and also how it sits on the iPad on the magnetic base. This is the Apple Pencil Pro and there's not much information here, but you get some information about the model. This is the model number here, MX2D3ZM/A Apple Pencil Pro, and its model, the actual model number is A2538. And it's compatible with iPad Pro M4, iPad Air M3, iPad Air M2, iPad Mini A17 Pro, and I hope iPad M4. I hope also iPad Pro M4, because I have here the iPad Pro M4, so that's should be compatible. So let's open the Pencil Pro and see what's. I have this pull tab. Okay, so that's the pull tab. Oh, nice, like a drawer. Which side is it now? I think it's this side. Nice, like a pencil case. I like that. Okay, so let's see. You get some paperwork. That's it here. So you can change the tip of the Pencil Pro. You can magnetically attach it to the iPad. We're gonna try that soon. And you can also change the tip of the Pencil Pro. You can replace the tip if it gets worn out. Safety and handling, cleaning. You should read this. I'm gonna read them a bit later to make sure I can take care of it. Warranty summary. Okay. And regulatory and compliance information in many languages here. Okay. So this is the actual Pencil Pro. That's the case. There's nothing else in the case. It's empty. And this is the Apple Pencil Pro now. It has this protective cover. Oh, feels really nice and feels pretty heavy, but not too bad. It feels nice. The tip is rubberized a little bit.